So now we're on part 4, and I am going to continue making the little mini books and continue making the pockets until I have either 5 weeks, which one page is a week, or 6 weeks. Now in my little book with this spine here, the spine template that you see that I've got working with now, I originally wanted to put 5 little mini books in it. So I've ended up putting 6, but it was way too thick. So it had an alligator mouth, the journal did. So I need to back it down or to at least 3 weeks, which is 3 pages, is good for this spine. But if you're like me and you want to load it, I am going to upload a new template for the spine and for the cover so that we can have a larger spine. That way we can put 6 weeks in here or 5 weeks. So the little mini books, I just continue making the pockets on the page, and I match them up with the page design pockets with the pockets and the page. They correlate together. Now you can do it however that you want. This is just how I did mine. So I continue doing this until I have all of my desired week amounts, anywhere from 3, 5, or 6. And this one I did 6, which, like I said, it did have a little bit of an alligator mouth. So I can back it down to 3. I can back it down to 3 little mini books, which is 3 weeks, or I can do 5 weeks. But I think I'll upload a new spine and a new cover template for you guys so that you can have, I'll do a bigger journal. Of course, you can always do that with a PDF. You can always say, instead of saying 100%, you can absolutely do 120%. It is up to you how that you want to do that. But I'm going to continue. I'm going to fast forward, and you can see me make the pockets and make the little mini books until all of my pages are full. Now that I have all of the little books, the mini books in, and all of the journal completed, I wanted to show you how I have all the tags and all the leftover bits and all the labels and the tags and the little mini books, and how I decorated the cover and things like that. So this is a flip through of the prototype, and I hope that you enjoyed this. Check out the links down below if you're interested in getting this printable kit. I think it turned out super cute, and I'm excited to see what others do with this. So there's the cover. So like I said, I will update this spine for a bigger journal. Bye!